Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Listen, I just wanted to let you know that there's more mystery kits in my shop today. And these are going to be called version 2. So if you've already bought some from me and don't want the exact same things, get these version 2s, okay? So these version 2s are a little bit different. There are some of the same things, but the images are a little bit different. And also some of the things that are inside the kits are a little bit different. And I can't show you all that because then they wouldn't be a mystery. And also know, by the way, that this isn't the only thing that you get. I also add a bunch of stuff to the FedEx package, which I am paying for shipping this time around. So please head over to the shop and get your mystery kits. I'm not sure how many more I'm going to keep making. There's quite a few out there, don't worry. But I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to make these once I'm done. You know, I get tired of doing things after a while. So anyway, head over to the shop. I appreciate your support and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Be well.